Hi students, welcome again. Today we will be working through a trigonometric simplification problem. We are required to prove the left side of the equation equal to the right side. We begin by multiplying the following expression. And so we have sine squared alpha minus, open brackets, tan squared alpha minus cos squared alpha. Let us expand this. Remember that sine squared alpha plus cos squared alpha is equal to 1 because that's our Pythagorean trigonometric identity. Right? And so we got 1 minus tan squared alpha. Now on the right hand side, we've got cos squared alpha over cos squared alpha minus sine squared alpha over cos squared alpha. And this is equal to 1 minus tan squared alpha. Therefore, we can conclude the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Now, the reason why I said this is an elegant question would be the restrictions, right? Remember that tan squared alpha is equal to sine squared alpha over cos squared alpha. Now we can't have cos squared alpha equal to 0. That will make our expression undefined or approach infinity. Therefore, cos squared alpha cannot equal to 0. But for what values of alpha is that the case? We need to find the places where cos alpha is not equal to 0. Let us draw the Cartesian plane and sketch the cos graph. We see that cos alpha is 0 at 90 and at 270. So we can write alpha is not equal to 90 and 270. The important thing to note is the cos graph goes in the positive direction to infinity and in the negative direction. So we need to include the general solution. So plus 360 multiplied by k for k an element of integers. And that's our full solution. So the first part, that was 3 marks, second part 2 marks, and the restrictions another 3 marks. So for 8 marks we've got a great question. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.